push back the proximal nail fold. Remove tissue and debris from the nail plate. Shape the free edge using the 180 grit emerald file. Lightly etch and remove the shine from the nail plate using the 180 grit emerald file. Remove the filing dust using a clean, dry nail wipe. Apply dehydrate to the natural nail to cleanse, remove moisture, and balance the pH of the nail plate. Wipe the brush on the neck of the bottle to remove excess power bond. Sparingly apply 1 coat of power bond to the entire natural nail surface and allow to dry. Proceed with enhancement application. Remove the form from the paper backing. Place the center of the form on the back side of the form for reinforcement if desired. Gently hold the form with your index fingers and thumbs and roll the form to create a C-curve. Apply the form to the finger, ensuring there are no gaps between the form and the natural nail. Make a 45-degree cut on both sides of the form at the meeting point of the form and the nail grooves. Match and stick the tabs together to ensure an even C-curve. Apply a thin layer of IBD Builder Clear from the nail plate onto the form to the desired length to create a base for the extension. Flash cure, mold the C-curve, and finish curing for the required time for the type of gel and lamp being used. Using an IBD gel brush, scoop a small ball of your choice of pink builder gel onto your IBD gel brush. Place this ball in the arch area of the nail by rolling the gel off of your brush toward the smile line. Feather the product toward the cuticle area, keeping the product thin. Leave the bulk of the product at the smile line area. With the IBD gel brush, gently coax the white builder gel to the edge of the pink. Do not overlap. Gently feather the white gel to the end of the clear base. Perfect the smile line by wiping the gel brush on a dry nail wipe and using the edge of the brush to clean the line where the pink and white gel meet. Using IBD Clear Builder, apply 1 coat, polish-like, to the entire nail surface from cuticle area to free edge. Do not cure. Gently feather towards the cuticle area, sidewalls, and free edge. Cure for the required time for the type of gel and lamp being used. Remove the inhibition layer using an IBD nail wipe lightly saturated with Cleanser Plus or LED Shine Enhancer. Finish file and shape the nails. Finish with your choice of finishing application appropriate to hard gel. Moisturize by massaging lavender cuticle oil into the skin surrounding the nail.